A family from the Maldives is locked in a desperate legal fight to stop the deportation of their 2-year-old son, who was born in Australia with a disability. The boy has an acquired brain injury and severe haemophilia, a blood disorder. The Home Affairs Department's decision to deny the toddler a visa, despite warnings it would lead to an early and painful death, has provoked outrage among disability advocates. Damien McIver reports.
For Shizleen Ashaf, every day with her youngest son Kayban is a gift. Kayban was born in Western Australia. With a bleeding brain and severe haemophilia, he was given little hope.
Saying goodbye to your own child is not an easy thing to do, especially to have to make the choice of taking his life support off.
But Kayban wasn't ready to go, and he continues to fight against severe health problems. Now he has a new hurdle, Australia's Home Affairs Department. Even though the rest of his family have visas, the department says Kayban can't stay because his disability places an undue cost on Australia's health system. It means the family will be forced to live in the parents' homeland, the Maldives.
There is no capacity to treat Kayban's haemophilia in the Maldives, but beyond that, there is no capacity for him to undergo the rehabilitation that he needs.
Kayban's rehabilitation physician told the department that without proper care, he would likely suffer pain, fractures, hip dislocation, respiratory failure and premature death.
It's actually between him staying alive and dying, as hard as it is to put into words.
The Department of Home Affairs says the circumstances of the case were not compelling enough to warrant a waiver. It says its policy does not discriminate against applicants who have a disability or illness, and all applicants are treated in an equal and fair manner.
People with disabilities are considered a burden on the Australian society. They're not deemed to contribute in any way at all. And given the choice, the Australian government would much rather they weren't here.
Kayban's family is now waiting for his case to be heard at the Administrative Appeals Tribunal. If that fails, his final hope is intervention from the Federal Minister.
All I know is I would do anything to make sure that he gets the care he needs to be able to stay alive and not be in pain.
A plea any parent could understand. Damien McIver, ABC News.